Hello, ma'am. As client, when is the best time to visit Amulya Kala?
Yeah, that's a good question. See, if you visit us during the planning of your puja room, that is when you sit with your architect for planning your puja room, then we suggest you, before you plan your puja room, visit Amulya Kala to know the different sizes available in Tanjore paintings and plan accordingly. For example, this painting is 24 by 30 inches outer to outer frame. If you have a puja room of 3 feet or 4 feet, this is the best size which we suggest. In case if you have a multiple gods to be placed, then I suggest you these are the sizes which is available in the multiple sizes like 10 by 12, 12 by 15, 14 by 18, 16 by 20 and 18 by 24. These are the various sizes and you can plan accordingly. Why I say it's the beginning is the best time. If for example, if you are planning for onyx to be placed onto your wall with the lighting, when you come to us in the beginning stage, what happens is you can create something called a niche where the back side of the painting, what we call as a box frame, will go into the onyx and the rest of the painting can be placed accordingly.
How long do you take to complete a painting?
Yeah. See, for us, generally it's 35 days to 40 days for the designs for our paintings, the designs what we have. If you have anything custom made, then we might take maybe a week more, that is around 50 days. So when you come initially, as I told you, one, if it is an onyx, you can plan the niche accordingly. And if you are going for a puja room where the tiles or marble is already laid and you want to fix to the wall, then you can plan accordingly. See, in this also, one painting will be a prominent painting, that is your Mane Devru, what you call as Mane Devru, and the rest of the painting you can go as a panel painting, or the painting can be placed either side of the main god. This can also be done. And one more, you can go for a 4D finish, that is Balaji, Shiva family. Those take much longer than the usual ones. Usual ones will take about 45 days to 50 days, but the 4D finish will take about 2 to 3 months. If you plan these things early stage of your puja room, then by the time you finish your interiors, your painting will be ready at your place.
If we bring any specific gods which are not available in Amulya Kala, will you be able to customize it?
Yeah, many are confused. They think Tanjore paintings are only made for gods like Balaji, Shiva family, Narsim Swami. That's not right. When you get your own picture, your Mane Devru, Ilandre Grama Devru, when you get pictures like that, we can customize it as per the size and the color combination of the sarees, background, the mantap, everything can be done. And when you come in the beginning stage of your puja room, the advantage of that is, can you see here the designer frames what we have here? For example, this Rama family, because he is a Vishnu avatar, we have given Shanku Chakra Nama prominence. Here, Ranganatha Swami, and it's a horizontal, we have given a mantap design. Like these kind of designs also can be customized as per your puja room. And when you plan accordingly, the size of the painting and the customized Tanjore painting along with the frame can be designed for your puja room exclusively. When you are particularly looking for a customized Tanjore painting, we generally keep a time gap of 50 to 60 days so that the designing, planning and the process of making the Tanjore painting takes that long. And if it is readily available and if you take the painting which is readily available in our gallery, then it's a 1 or 2 days for frame fixing and handing over to you. So plan it accordingly, how long you have time for your Griha Pravesham and what are the designs you are looking at. Is it a customization or readily available? Is the choice what they are choosing is as per their interest?